Okay, so this is what you'll be getting from the course. Now, this is the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP blueprint, my inner circle mentorship, right? So, if you are paying for this course, this is actually what you'll be getting from the course. First of all, you will get 30 days free BookBeam access. That means you have to use BookBeam for free. If you are not into Amazon KDP, BookBeam before. BookBeam is a tool that you can use in getting profitable topics that you want to write on. Of course, you don't want to write on a keyword or a topic that is not selling, you get, or that doesn't sell, you get. So you want to make sure that you are writing on a topic that you'll be very sure that when you upload the book on Amazon, it will sell. Now that is what BookBeam actually does, and it helps you with a lot of things, just like things like checking for trademark, things like getting a niche that you want to write your book on. You get things like knowing like the metrics. It gives you a lot of metrics on how to do a lot of things on Amazon KDP. So it's like one of the most important tools that you need in running a successful Amazon KDP business. And if you don't understand how to use this tool, it will be very difficult for you to actually make sales on Amazon KDP. Now, it's not the only tools out there in the market, but it's the best when it comes to getting topics. It's the best when it comes to finding a good niche. It is the best when it comes to giving you the details on books that are doing well on Amazon. You get, so you'll be getting the access for it for free. The monthly subscription of BookBeam is like $61. Like, so if you are converting that to your local currency, you know what that is. So that is the access. So you'll be getting it for free. Subsequently, because you have joined the Amazon KDP blueprint, I'll be giving you for a very sad, instead of paying $61, you'll only be paying 3,000 naira if you are in Nigeria, and then $3 if you are outside Nigeria. Okay, so this is all you'll be getting from the course. As you can see, this is the first video you will have to watch if you have paid for this course, and this is the course tutorial section where you actually have a lot of videos that are here, you understand, that will teach you a lot of things about Amazon KDP, starting from getting a mindset shift. And this is how to create a UK or US KDP account. Now this is book design section, this is Amazon KDP tips and tricks. Now if you also want, because this is like a three course in one, that means if you want to publish book on Apple Book and you want to publish book on Kobo Book, these are other platforms like Amazon KDP that you can also publish your book and also make sales from it. So you are not just getting an Amazon KDP course or a book publishing course, you are also getting two other courses that will teach you how to publish on them and also make money from these platforms. Now, if you have created a book and you've uploaded it on Amazon, this book can also be republished on this platform. So if you are making $500 from that book on Amazon, you can be making like 400 to 500, also up to 500 on the other platforms. You understand? So this is now a plus to you. So if you add this for this platform and you add this for this platform and you add this for this platform, you will see that you've made a lot of money because you leverage on other platforms. Now, this is the smartphone. So if you can actually go through this course using your phone. This is the ad course secret. So it also has an ad section, you get. So this is the premium tools. I also give you premium tools to use for free, you understand. So this is the book launch secret videos, which teaches you how to launch your book like a professional so that you see a lot of sales and your book will remain relevant. Now, this is one of the reasons why people don't make money on Amazon, because they don't know how to launch a proper book, do a proper book launching. The only thing they know how to do is upload their book on Amazon and hope on God that this book sells. But it is not like that. You have to make sure that whatever you are doing, you are intentional about it, and this actually teach you the intentionality on how to make your book sell, you get. So if I come to this course tutorial section, you'll see that there are a lot of videos here. There are a lot of videos here, a lot of videos that will take you from a total beginner. Even if you are someone who has been into Amazon KDP and you have been confused on what to do, on what to do, this course will actually rewire and reset your mindset so that you can start making money. If you haven't made money on Amazon KDP before, this is the right course for you, that will show you what you need to make money from Amazon KDP the right way. Now, this course actually started with a voice note, and you can actually come down below to actually see the videos on how to watch. Okay, it's Amazon KDP glossary and terms. This is 21 element marketing elements and sales element that you can use in selling your book more. As you can see, 21 golden marketing and sales element, the bloodline by which every sales milking publisher is built upon. So if you don't understand this, you will never ever see yourselves on KDP. So you need to understand this element for you to actually make a lot of profit on Amazon KDP. So this course is fully packed with value. Now, there is no one that have actually gone through this Amazon KDP, the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP blueprint, that has not been wowed about this course, because it is very, very detailed and it makes things easy for you. The way I took my time to actually explain the course, it makes things very, very easy. Now, this is a video on how to finding a money printing machine niche. You need to find it. If you don't know the niche that you should be writing your book on, you have missed it already. You get, some people don't know how to find the right niche to sell their book on Amazon KDP. So you need to find it. So this is understanding Amazon KDP keyword. As you can see, is the lifeblood of your KDP business. If you don't understand Amazon KDP keywords, it is very difficult for you to actually make sales on Amazon. So this actually gives you like the full pack of what you need to become successful as a publisher on Amazon. You get, or platforms like Apple Books and Kobo Books. So it gives you like a full information of what you need, a step-by-step system of what you need to succeed with your Amazon KDP business or your publishing business. So it is very, very detailed, and also it comes with a support group whereby you can ask any questions, and gurus in that platforms, people that has the same mindset of actually making money through the Amazon publishing vehicle, are there to answer your questions. And also you get access to my direct line, where you have to ask me any question in my DM, and I will respond to you either through a voice note, a video, or a text. So you get a relationship, you have to have a relationship with me, and I have to respond to all your questions. And for people that have actually gone through this course, they know that I don't ignore messages. I must respond to your messages. So it's not like most of the courses out there that you go through, and after paying for the course you don't hear from the course creator again, or you can't even get anyone to answer your questions. The community is very active enough to even respond to any of the issues that you will be facing, if you will ever face any issue. You get, so that's it about the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP blueprint. So if you want to enroll in all of my videos on YouTube, there is a link that can take you to where you can make payment and go and get the course on seller. Okay, so you can go and actually get the course on seller. Okay, so you see the price, you make payment, and it you click the link. After the payment, it will redirect you to my personal WhatsApp line, where I have to give you an information on how to get to this point, and I'll add you to the support group, where you have to meet other people with the same mindset like you, that wants to make money online. So that is it about Zero to Hero Amazon KDP blueprint. And remember, you are getting a lot of free tools. And also, if there's one thing you don't want to miss on this course, is the book launch secrets. Do you understand? If you understand the book launch secret, there is nothing that can actually stop you from making the amount that you have set for yourself that you want to make in any single year. You will always hit your target because you actually know the exact point that you need and where to find the people that will buy your book. And the truth is, they can't ignore you because in that launch secret videos, I also show you how to give people an offer they cannot refuse. They don't have choice. As far as they have money to actually pay for that stuff, they will pay for it and actually get your book. Because I will show you how to make your book the most desired in the market. So if you are having competitors, what they just want to choose is your book because you have given them an offer they cannot refuse. So that's it about the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP Blueprint. So if you are interested, you can send me a DM on WhatsApp, send me a DM on Telegram. I will respond to you. I respond to messages fast, or you can click on the link on any of my videos. Just go to the description section and get the course on Seller. Once you make payment, to you'll be redirected to my personal WhatsApp line and I will respond to you. So thank you so much. That is all about the Zero to Hero Amazon KDP Blueprint. As you can see, there are a lot of detailed videos here that will actually teach you. As you can see, there's a video on market research and it's an irresistible market research that actually helps you find out what you need to beat your competitors in the market. It is very, very detailed. Do you understand? It is very, very detailed. So thank you, and I'll see you on the inside.